wouldn't nature do?
What is she
Why?
doing? What is she doing?
What is she doing?
What's working?
Yes. And what isn't she doing? The thing in the forest, there is zero waste, there is also zero unemployment.
Grow Your Own is a fantastic initiative launched by BioWise.
This is so important, not only for our planet, but for the future, for our future.
It's important that we all grow our own crops. It doesn't matter how small it is. Fantastic in a little tunnel to grow for your family, and then you know what's actually been sprayed with, you know how it's been grown. And also for the family, for the children, to actually see where food comes from. It's just so important.
This is bottles that we use, 2-litre bottles. Using them to construct quite a nice little greenhouse.
So the whole hothouse is built out of recycled material, wattle latte. If you look inside, we've got the walls made from bottles, recycled bottles, with a structure inside also with wattle latte, so it actually makes it strong for any animals coming through. Baboon proof.
This is an initiative where we really support local economy.
Okay, right, die wat ons hierso sien, dit is nie 'n inheemse boompiesie, dit is almal is aliens en ons vat dit en ons saag dit af en ons koop dit. So hy moet ook uitgeroei word. Ek dink dit is iets goed om te sien dat wat aliens is, wat kan gedoen word met dit. Definitief word daar iets positief gedoen. Taking the material from the waste, those ones who don't have jobs, it's good for the local people because they also gain from this project.
As ons R3 per uur die houer gee, sal ons almal werk hê, maar dit gaan nie kap vir.
Ons is baie bly daarvoor. Hulle moet dit koop en hulle maak greenhouses.
Everything is built out of wattle latte and recycled material, even the insides for plants, we used cans.
It's a nice way of keeping all your plants protected from the bugs and also from cold or heavy wind. And then all your things for your kitchen are there to go and harvest as well. It's a nice concentrated space to work from. Your companion planting in your greenhouse, you have to maintain a good ecosystem in there.
Yeah, the plants are organic, so you can basically plant any vegetables, any plants that you want to plant, pipes to plant your strawberries in and everything. It's adjustable. We can build it according to your specifications. The height we can put more shelves in, and make it wider, make it bigger.
So we also do food garden plants, things like asparagus and berries in pots, and then also 6 packs of whatever's in season.
We made shelves at the bottom for your seedlings, and you can also have space here if you've got some compost that you want to store in a bucket or something.
The compost we get from Fred the Fella. He only uses horse manure and wood chippings from untreated wood.
Being organic is wonderful, obviously, for the environment and for your health. It's also a lot of hard work because it's very hands-on. Keeping your soil healthy so that the plants don't stress, because if you have a healthy plant that doesn't stress, the bugs aren't attracted to it.
Organic compost, it's got manure in it, got fresh green material composted down. Probably takes about a month to compost down to this level. What we're establishing here is a herb garden. The idea, of course, is for us to be able to use this as an educational point, find out more about herbs and how to grow them, how to use them.
You also do medicinal and indigenous herbs as well. You use your herbs for your whole lifestyle. That's what I'm crazy about.
A little greenhouse like this can really support a family of 2, and we will plant according to their needs. Youngsters in a flat that hasn't got a garden, but they love gardening, they love organic food. Any business that are preparing food on a regular basis, from hotels, any household, restaurants, any business that wants to support the local economy, and people that has got issues with diets of their children, to make healthy food for their children, and also to supply the excess that we get from this market back to the organic market here, where we are displaying this little one, so that the organic market can really grow.
We could all be eating fresh, beautiful veggies right out of our own yards, and we'd really like to enable that, especially within our Knysna community.
I think we can really evolve this in terms of creating a system that is absolutely nature inspired.
Nature is really an example of what we as humans also need to do, and the whole system of how we can work together and really create a system to self-sustain and to really look back to nature and find out exactly what nature does and live from it and really demonstrate that into our own lives.
In the forest, there is zero waste, there is also zero unemployment.
Trusted Traders really support the values and the blueprint of BioWise.
I'm an ideas person, a systems thinker, and I can see the connections. So to have people like yourself who can actually now build this, grow our own demo garden.
Sue, I'm BioWise.
Ek is BioWise.
Celebrate where we're getting it right.